Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fiola Unlimited. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a wig cap closure. These serve as a base for my braided wig. As you can see, you can hardly tell it is handmade. The materials you'll be needing for this project: you'll be needing a wig cap, you'll be needing a Swiss lace, thread, scissors, needle, doom head, and a tape roll. I got all my materials from Kali's Beauty, and you can get yours from any beauty supply store or Amazon. So the next thing I did, I measured 8 inches long of my Swiss lace and 3 inches wide. Then I folded it into 2 equal parts. The reason why I did this is because I wanted the Swiss lace, my frontal, the thickness to be equal to that of the cap or very close to that of the cap. The next thing we're gonna do, we'll be making use of the cap inner. So we will use the lines on the cap as a guideline. So we need to attach the Swiss lace to the cap with a pin. Holding your Swiss lace down with pins will make your work a lot easier before you start hemming it with thread and needle. You can also use your machine to do this instead of doing it manually. What I love to do at the end is to seal the thread with my lighter. The reason why I did this is that I don't want the thread to lose at the end of the day. This is the way the cap should look when you're done. As you can see, it is better to sew on the hem part of the cap than just sewing anywhere you want. You can see the hemmed part. Yeah, it is better to sew around that side. So the next thing you need to do now is to cut the base of the cap so that we can have our closure. After cutting the base, I'll advise you to seal the edge with your lighter, but you need to be very careful, guys, so you won't burn your Swiss lace. This is the final look. When I installed my braid on it, this is the way it came out. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you've learned something. In case you do, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.